For this tutorial, we're going to combine two portrait images to turn them into this image here, using Add Image Layer, Layer Blends and Gradient Blends. Let's dive right in. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we are going to add a new image layer. I have these already set up in a folder. Click Open. So that you can see that these don't match exactly, I've taken the opacity down. First thing I'm going to do is edit the mask, gradient mask, and I'm going to draw a short gradient across this so that there's not much space between the center point of the gradient and coming out from the gradient. Take that into about the middle there, because I don't want it to affect this eye too much. Next thing, click Edit Mask and then Edit Mask Brush, and we are going to paint in with an opacity of 100. So if I paint in here, just to around there, I'm going to paint in here, but I'm going to paint the opacity down because we're looking for a natural blend with this. So if I do that there and I take the opacity down again, we get a nice blend just in there. And I can take the brush size down from here and I can blend that in. And there we have the blend. I'm going to go to Erase just to check that I haven't caught any of the other eye. Just go in there. Next, I am going to add a new image layer. This time I'm going to add the snow so that we have the winter feel to this side of the image. Again, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to edit the mask using a gradient, and I'm going to drag that across the image, and it looks quite dark there. I may take it to around there. Then close that. I am going to get into the screen blend and the image pops back through. A couple of these snow points I'm going to remove. Edit Mask, Brush, go to Erase, and I'm going to paint out some of these. Not all of them, just some of them. Any that get across the eyes, because we want a nice pop in these eyes. Quite happy with that. Next thing I'm going to do, create new stamped layer. Now that we're in the stamped layer, I'm going to tweak the image slightly with the AI Enhance tools. Accent AI to around there. AI Structure to around there. I'm going to get into the portrait tools and I'm going to get into the portrait enhancer. I'm going to whiten the eye slightly, the eye enhancer, so that the eyes pop to around there. Back into the light tools, go into the vignette, bring a vignette in to draw your eyes into the image. And there we have it. Autumn into winter. Hopefully that lets you see how you can combine two portrait images into one to give it an entirely different look. Remember, explore the software, enjoy the software, and have fun with the software.